Hi guys, I'm out on the road, but I wanted to do a quick reaction to today's Bank of England base rate announcement, where they have increased the base rate by 0.5% or 50 basis points and to 2.25% now, which is slightly lower than was expected by the money markets. Now, there's good news and bad news here. The good news is it means that mortgage rates aren't going to be going up as fast as expected, but they are still going up. So it's not like it's good news, it's just slightly less bad news. But the worrying comment that they made and the worrying reason, the other piece of good news is that they've now revised down the inflation forecast to peak at 11%, not 13%. Now that's great news. However, the fact that they've downgraded it means that they are seeing a much sharper onset of a recession than they expected. In fact, they stated that they believe that we are in a recession now, that it began in April, mildly. My view, as I've said all along, is that we are in a recession, so this has confirmed my view, and that very recently, we're now late September 2022, that recession is actually deepening quite sharply and quite suddenly. The official figures on that haven't come out. That's just based on my finger on the pulse in various different ways. But I suspect that there's a very sharp recession on its way. And that's not good for the economy and ultimately not good for anything really, except for bringing inflation down. But ultimately, recessions have been the only thing in the past that's been proven to bring down inflation when needed, caused by, of course, rising interest rates. So good news that the interest rates have increased not as fast as expected, and that inflation is now forecast to peak at 11%, not 13%. Bad news that the recession actually began sooner than they thought. I think it's going to be worse than predicted. And the other thing is this: I was listening to an interview with a former Bank of England Monetary Policy Committee member, and she said that she fears that although inflation peaking at 11%, 10 or 11% is better than 13%, she's worried that it's becoming what she called baked into the economy, and it's actually going to last for quite a long time, and that is bad. So, and there are a lot of uncertainties out there as well still, but there we go. That's the update. What does it mean for the housing market? Well, we're still waiting on the mini budget to come out tomorrow with their update on various things, including this expected stamp duty cut. I'm sure there are going to be other announcements as well that I will do a reaction to as soon as I have had a chance to digest the content of tomorrow's mini budget. But for now, I wanted to update you. I also wanted to include the fact that I think the stamp duty changes that are going to be announced tomorrow will be announced with immediate effect. That's my expectation. They'll be immediately implemented as of tomorrow, Friday, the 23rd of September. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep your comments and questions coming. They're awesome. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.